Hello students. Now today I discuss the polynomials. First we discuss the polynomials have a type of polynomials. First has the monomials class 9 maths. Polynomials 3x 5x plus 7 x square plus 4x plus 2. The equation have a single value. The equation have a single value that are called monomial. That is a monomial. Monomials. And the algebraic expression are attached with the positive operation or a negative operation. Positive operation or a negative operation that should be a binomial. They have two terms. They have two terms. That is a binomial. Binomials. And x square plus 4x plus 2. X square plus 4x plus 2. The algebraic expression have a three terms. The algebraic expression have a three terms. These algebraic expressions are known as trinomials. Trinomials. And the algebraic expression should be classified with the help of linear, quadratic and cubic. So the equation x plus 2 and x square plus 4x plus 3 and x cube 5x square plus 7. This equation x plus 2 have the degree of x, have the degree of variable is 1. The degree of x or degree of variable is 1. That's are called linear polynomial. Linear. And the second is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Second as the quadratic polynomial. Now, power of x have 2. The variables have a degree 2 are called quadratic polynomials. And next is the algebraic expression have the degree 3 of a variable is called a cubic polynomial. Is called a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomials. And Next we define the coefficient. Now we find the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x square. The constant value related with the constant value related with s. Constant value related with x with the negative or a positive sign. With the negative or a positive sign, that's are called coefficient. Now we define the coefficient of x square in the given expression. In this expression, the coefficient of x square is 1. In this expression, the coefficient of x square is 1. In this expression, the coefficient of x square is plus 5. So, coefficient of any algebraic expression which can be calculated, the related expression to the negative or a positive sign of a constant number, the constant number with negative or a positive sign, with negative or a positive sign are called coefficient. Now next is the measure the degree of algebraic expression. The highest power of x in an algebraic expression. Highest power of x in an algebraic expression are called degree of expression. Now you find if the x have under root 1 upon x have the power 3 by 2 and x have the negative power. These expressions are included, these terms are included in an algebraic expression. These algebraic expressions are not a polynomial. These algebraic expressions are not a polynomial. It is clear? Now discuss to find the polynomial. The given algebraic expression 4x square minus 3x plus 7 is a polynomial. 3 under root t plus t under root 2. This is not polynomial. Why? Because the variable t in a square root. Now we discussed previous. The value in a square root is not a polynomial. So this expression 3 under root 2t plus t under root 2. If the constant value in a square root is not dependent to classify the polynomial or not, but the variable of an algebraic expression are written in a square root, are written in a denominator, that's not polynomial. So y plus 3 upon y is equal to y square plus 3 upon y. This expression is not a polynomial. Why? Because y have a denominator. When this denominator going to the numerator, that power is a negative. Therefore, this is not a polynomial. 2 plus, question number 2, 2 plus x square plus x. Find the coefficient of x square. Find the coefficient of x square. That is coefficient of x square, that is 1. In this expression, not the value of 1. In this expression, not the value of 1. So therefore, it can be satisfied. X is pi by 2. Pi by 2x square plus 5x minus 1. The coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square equal to pi by 2. Equal to pi by 2. And next as the degree. Next as the degree. Degree of any expression. We find the degree of any expression, algebraic expression. That is the highest power of x. That is the highest power of x or a highest power of any variable. Highest power of any variable. That should be degree. Now x power 3 4x square plus 2. The degree equal to 3, because 3 as the highest power of x. 3 as the highest power of x. 3 जो है वो highest power है. So therefore, degree of any expression, second 5t minus under root 7. Now the degree 1, because t had the power 1. The degree decided the power of an expression. The degree decided the power of an expression. So we classify the linear, quadratic and a cubic equation. The linear equation have a power 1 and the cubic equation have a power 2. Quadratic equation have a power 2 and a cubic equation have a power 3. The algebraic expression have 2 or 3 terms can be written, but the degree of a variable is one, that is called a linear polynomial. So x square plus x square plus x square plus x have a degree 2. So the equation is a quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial, and r square is also a singleton, but the r square is a singleton but the quadratic polynomial, because it has the degree 2. It has the degree 2. So y plus y square plus 4. This expression has a 3 terms. This expression has a 3 terms. But the highest power of this expression is 2. So the equation is quadratic. So we classify all the way to the quadratic polynomial, linear polynomial, and etc. So on. Therefore, we discuss the next. Thank you.